Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will start with the Google Cloud Platform. Well, we are using AWS and making videos on Azure, so why not Google Cloud Platform as well? This is a nice way to share my knowledge with all of you guys. So in this video we'll start with the Google Cloud Platform and we'll see how to create a Linux VM. So let me just quickly log on to the Google Cloud Platform console and take it from there. Okay. Log on to the Google Cloud Console using console.cloud.google.com. You'll get free credits like I got. They're giving $300 worth of free credits so that we all can do the lab, the practice, and make use of Google Cloud Platform. You'll have to enter your credit card details, but they won't charge you. They just have to keep it for the verification. So as and when you will log in, select a project. Either you create a new project or select it. When you will see select, I have created my first project. After selecting the project, it will take me to the dashboard that it gives. Status, go to the cloud status. I'll show you these things later. Let me create a new VM. So this is the marketplace. This is the compute. We'll go to this. So I'm going to use compute engine and I want to create a VM instance. So I'll do this. Let's see how it goes. I don't want to import it or take the quick start. I'll do it myself. I click on create. Alrighty, come on. Let's say do it test Linux instance 1. Let's select the region as, if you have worked on AWS Azure, you would be familiar with these things. The region and the zone. So this is kind of the region and the availability zone. I'm going to select Asia South 1 Mumbai. The zone would be Asia South 1A. They have categorized it. See, you have this much of rupees free trials credit remaining. I told you. So machine configuration would be general purpose. You can select what you want. Generation. It is the size of the machine. I'm going to go with at least this, so that it can boot up quickly. I don't want to use a container image. This is Linux new 10 GB persistent storage, default access, firewall, create. Linux test instance is getting created. This is how it shows. Let me pause the video and come back when it's done. It is done. It is the name. I can open in browser window. Let's see. I'm going to pop up. It allows me to SSH onto this machine using a browser window. Nice. I don't have to use putty or putty. As and when you like it. Transferring SSH keys to the VM. Establishing connection to the SSH server. Nice. See, I'm already logged in, so I can do the putty. Like I can use this putty software to connect to the IP which they have given to me from here. Or I can do in the browser window on the custom port as well. By default, it will choose 22. I can use open in browser window using provided private SSH key. I can use gcloud command line, like we have AZ-CLI, AWS CLI. I can use another AWS client. So if I click on it, I'll go into more details regarding this virtual machine. Logs, connect to serial console. I want to create it, stop it, delete it. And the region, creation time, NIC, firewalls, network logs, images. This I would have chosen CentOS, Ubuntu, anything else. Trial purposes, you can do it. Alright, so if I go on to let's go inside CDOP. Let's see what it contains. Nothing. Let's come outside. Let's do sudo su. I am root. Let's go inside EDC folder. EDC. Let's do ls. There must be a host file here. Let's see if it is nano host. This is the host file. It is added by Google. They have the comment section. All added by Google. Nice. Let's exit out of it. Yum. Install. Update. Let's see how it goes. If I have typed. One not found. Okay, so this is the different OS. SKP Debian I would have selected. But you got the idea how it will be done. Next videos I'm going to create VM. I'm going to do a few more videos regarding managing compute engine. I will do the web engine as well and the different things that present. Like we're going to look at the instance group, instance templates, health checks, and if not the compute engine, I'm going to show you the app engine as well. What all apps are present. Let me unpin it. Cloud functions, cloud run, storage. We'll do SQL as well. I'll tell you more about Google Cloud Platform. So I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any feedback, please mention in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share the videos with all your friends, family, relatives on every social media platform. Support. Thank you. Have a great day.